ladies and gentlemen. Tonight is indeed a very special night because tonight we celebrate another feather to the cap of NanoXL, the NanoXL International Philippines, the first in Southeast Asia. I am honored to be a part of such a wonderful, new, exciting endeavor, and to finally share and present this to my country, to my fellow countrymen. When Dr. Harish asked me and my husband to pursue this expansion project, I was worried about the hurdles and new challenges we will be up against, and the new adjustment, time, and effort we had to make this to be a success. But upon opening to the public our first office in Ortigas, that was last month, August 18, and finally seeing you all here, I can say that everything was worth it. I was really extremely happy with the modest crowd as a manifestation of trust and confidence in NanoXL. Days preceding this launching event, we worked together in our small ways to prepare the day in cooperation of everyone. NanoXL goal is providing everyone with opportunities, growth, and unleashing potentials, so here we are tonight. NanoXL offers an array of advanced technology and revolutionary product. Sooner it will be explained by Dr. Harish with a demo on it. It's a health-wise and wealth-wise. I hope we can look back after many fruitful years and remember this lovely evening where we celebrated such wonderful new beginning and seal the memorable partnership through NanoXL International. We want to thank our Lord Almighty, our families, our friends, everyone for tonight. Thank you everyone and welcome to Nano family.
As of now, Sheila, we're gonna have a raffle.
Gusto niyo ba ng raffle? Gusto niyo bang matry yung product natin?
And what a way to try the product.
Yeah. What a way to start the night by giving away a wonderful nano energy pendant para naman ma-energize sila.
Okay, it's being drawn now.
And the name is, I believe it's Glenn Sadilio. Is it Sadilio? Yes. Sir Glenn, congratulations. Okay, at this point, we would like to call on another, we have a special guest actually tonight. So, friends, let's all welcome Sir Olan Ignacio.
Good morning, Nanonyans.
Good evening.
Good morning, Nanonyans. You know, guys, in our culture, in network marketing, we always say good morning. Okay? Nanonyans, are you ready to excel? I can hear you. Are you ready to excel?
Yes.
Good. Dalawang bagay, when I have an opportunity to meet Indians, two films ang lagi kong naalala. One is the story of Mahatma Gandhi. And the other one, the new ones, parehong award-winning to, walang iba kung hindi yung Slumdog Millionaire. Napanood nyo ba pareho yon? Yes. It's quite a very, very interesting movie and talagang may impluwensyahan yung life natin once you watch that two types of movies. Pag pinag-uusapan natin ang network marketing, ano yung unang pumapasok sa isip natin? Two things. For other people, that is positive, but for other people as well, that is negative. Yes or no? Let us see what Donald Trump said about networking industry. He said, I do not believe that MLM or network marketing is a bad business model. I believe it is the shoddy people in MLM that make it look bad. Tama ho ba siya? Hindi ho problema yung system ng network marketing, but the problem is the people sometimes who run the multi-level marketing. The design of network marketing system is a great system, and I will tell you bakit simula ngayon I was so passionate to do network marketing. How many squares do you see? 21. Okay, let's check it out. 32. Meron pang 32, no? Tingnan nyo. Take note. We're talking about one big square divided into squares. Yung tingin ng iba, 16, 17, 21, 22, 28, some says 32. Let us check it out. What is the right answer? 16 is right. 17 and 18 is also right. 21, 22, you got the right number. But what else? 26 is also right. And then 28, and the other one is 30. Minsan ho, ang tingin natin sa networking industry is just 16, 17, 18, or 22. Pero some people saw this industry beyond 16. Alam nyo, tingin ko pa nga sa networking industry, it's not only having 30 squares, subukan nyong maging duling kayo. Ilan ang tingin nyo dyan? 8 years na ako sa networking industry, going to 9 years na ako, at nakapag-develop po ako ng isang module, ang paksa ko puro ito ay The Mind of Netrepreneur. The title is The Mind of Netrepreneur. It is a 8-hour program kung paano natin maintindihan ang networking industry. Now, Taishan de Samaro said, if you open your hand, you can take hold of anything, but if you close your hand, nothing can enter it. I've seen in this business, yung mga taong open-minded, whether saan sila galing ng networking industry o tinatawag na karir, yung mga open-minded ang tinatawag nating nagiging most successful in a short time. Why? Because they are so hungry when it comes to knowledge. They want to understand what is networking is all about. And then, Richard Poe, former persecutor of networking industry, para utong si Saulo, pine-persecute niya si Kristo. And his dream, at para rin siyang si Voltaire, who said, give me 100 years and I will wipe out Christianity. His dream, this guy, he said, Richard Poe, give me a few years and then I will prove that network marketing is a scam system. But along the way, according to his research, he was converted into a network marketing. In fact, he wrote 4 series of books named the Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, and Wave 4, and he is the #1 motivational speakers when it comes to networking industry. He said, those who choose is what? Network marketing will be taking a giant step into what? Right direction. Take note, dati it is a negative things, but since he was converted as a network marketeer, he said, those who choose network marketing will be taking a giant step in the right direction. Stephen Covey, the famous author of 7 Habits of Effective People, he said, network marketing gives people a creative opportunity to set up their own business. And lastly, we're not just talking about money, but we're talking about personality development. That's why he said it's also help us to improve ourselves. The Mind of Netrepreneur. Ang Netrepreneur